Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to find Telegram groups in your mobile device. First, make sure that you installed your Telegram application in your mobile device, and once done, just simply tap your Telegram application, and from here you will see a search option here or search icon located at the upper right corner. Just tap this and search for a particular words for a group that you want to search. Just for example, I will search here basketball. Then you will see here a list of results of groups which contain the word basketball. And if you want to view this group, just tap a group or particular group from this list of search or results. And if you want to join, just tap this join button here located below. Okay, that's it guys on how to find Telegram groups in your mobile device. Okay, I hope this video helps you a lot. Keep following and subscribe to this video for more video tips. Thank you guys.